Are your field technicians closing notifications with inaccurate damage and failure mode codes? Are you unable to analyze asset repair costs correctly at the subcomponent level? Meet Unvired AI Maintenance Genie Agent, your SAP-certified maintenance assistant, designed to augment human technicians, to enhance asset reliability, and reduce asset lifecycle costs. Built on SAP Business Technology Platform, it seamlessly integrates with SAP ECC and SAP S/4HANA and works across iOS, Android, Windows, and web browsers. Genie is available for use both on mobile devices as well as a Fiori web app. Let's deep dive at its AI capabilities. Assist technicians in notification creation and closure. Genie leverages large language models to assist technicians in closing notifications by suggesting appropriate codes for object parts and damage codes. It validates equipment records and proposes failure mode codes, ensuring accurate and efficient maintenance operations. Log in, and you're greeted by an intuitive dashboard. Select the Notifications module, browse Open Notifications, and pick one to close. Tap Close with Genie, and watch the magic happen. In seconds, Genie analyzes the data and suggests failure mode codes, object parts, and damage details, all in editable mode. If the suggested codes are correct, accept them with a tap. Need to make changes? Modify the values, and Genie tracks your feedback to improve its performance over time. Every interaction helps train the AI, ensuring smarter suggestions for your team. Subcomponent analysis. Genie dives deep into corrective work order data to pinpoint root causes at the sub-equipment level. Genie interrogates historical data from notifications, work orders, and purchase requisitions and invoices to uncover patterns in sub-equipment damage and associated costs. Log in, apply filters to narrow down notifications, and select an open case. Genie instantly suggests failure modes and subcomponent failures based on the notification details. Accept the suggestions or modify them as needed. Genie tracks every change, sending feedback to improve future analysis. Maintenance Procedures Search. Genie leverages retrieval-augmented generation to assist technicians find the answers to maintenance procedure questions by extracting data from asset manuals and procedures. Need to fix a pump valve? Just ask Genie. It delivers precise, actionable steps in seconds, ensuring your team gets the job done right every time. With Unvired AI Maintenance Genie, businesses achieve cost savings through better tracking of damage history and costs, improve decision-making, optimize operations, and enhance reliability. It's time to say goodbye to downtime and hello to efficiency. Ready to see how AI can transform your asset maintenance operations? Schedule a live demo today and see Genie in action.